In this video, we'll show you exactly how to clean your shower curtain easily. Shower curtains protect your bathroom and add style, but they often accumulate soap scum, mildew, and unpleasant odors over time. Proper cleaning restores freshness and extends their lifespan. Let's get started. Begin by carefully removing your shower curtain and liner from their hooks or rings. Remove any rings separately for easier cleaning and better results. Lay your shower curtain on a flat surface to inspect for stains, soap scum, and mildew. For tough mildew spots or stains, pre-treat the affected areas by applying a paste of baking soda and water directly onto them, allowing it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Place your shower curtain into your washing machine. Add a couple of towels to provide gentle scrubbing action. Use warm water, a mild detergent, and half a cup of baking soda to help remove buildup and odors effectively. During the rinse cycle, add half a cup of distilled white vinegar. Vinegar helps break down mildew, soap scum, and odors, restoring freshness and hygiene to your shower curtain. If machine washing isn't suitable, clean your curtain manually. Fill your bathtub or a large basin with warm water and mild detergent. Soak your shower curtain for about 30 minutes. Then gently scrub with a soft brush or cloth to remove residue and stains. After washing, rinse your shower curtain thoroughly using clean, warm water to remove all detergent, baking soda, and vinegar residues. Proper rinsing prevents streaks or residue buildup. Hang your shower curtain back onto the shower rod to air dry naturally. Ensure it's spread evenly, allowing air to circulate freely. Avoid using a dryer, as excessive heat can damage plastic or vinyl curtains. While your curtain dries, soak curtain rings or hooks in warm water mixed with mild detergent. Scrub gently with a soft brush or sponge, rinse thoroughly, and dry them with a clean towel. Regularly pull your shower curtain closed after each use to ensure it fully dries, minimizing mildew buildup. Keep your bathroom well ventilated to further reduce moisture accumulation. Aim to clean your shower curtain monthly or whenever you notice signs of mildew or dirt. Regular care ensures a fresher, cleaner bathroom environment and prolongs the life of your curtain. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips, and share your favorite curtain care strategies in the comments below. Happy cleaning!